So in order to change our YouTube name, the first thing that we need to do is log in our YouTube account, then click on our profile icon and go on YouTube Studio. Once it loads, we can just go ahead and click on customization. And here we got three options, but what we are interested in is in basic info. Here we can see channel name and description. If we go ahead and click this icon, we are able to change the channel name. Be aware that YouTube allows you only to change this name 3 times every 90 days. So I would do that cautiously and only if you need to do it. I won't change mine right now, but if I wanted to, I would just change something and then click on publish right here, and I would see the change happen here or in all the YouTube channel. So let me know if you guys found this tutorial helpful, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.